anya bia me ko di 3 weeks o Ghana kwa metumi aye adwuma pa
Yeah.
ye beba ne ya besemu ama wo se Ghana fo sha na omutia me ni anyansafo pa o na me asira wo wo nansa na ekaka no enye ajimifo bia and I don't want anybody to come here to attack. If you come and attack me, I will attack you triple times. Because the fear omana ye woman omano see a penny. So we don't need any fools again to come and distract the Ghanaian people again. So what is the president?
Baby de quoi?
Say Kennedy say ene akwana ni tika kaka no so na wahyiria no odte wasia no ayi otia na ti kura do so ba wo me akobubu ni da
Otibonsu
Ghana fo a wo munim nyansan hwe ne appearance ene ni motive ene ni bibi odi ye se wakote party almost say Ghana fo etwatifo ewu say hatred pure typical hatred Emma Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. So what you say?
Yeah.
Now, if she allow, if God is there, or thank Pierre or for Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, it will be mute.
Amen.
It will be mute because Onyankopon and the preserve Baumia Dinaba. It's not you, it's not me. And it will take how many people love Canada, Japan. The arrogant, Otibo, Opia, Udayan, but what the Brem no Madoka allowed to Mahmoud Bamia. Ghana for Nansa, Ghana for Munimunyansa, and judges as a way. Or can put forces for boss from Niasas, or what to me yet there, or net of trouble for Papa, our will be. And judge us some way. Emma Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. He is innocent. He has not offended anybody. It's the propaganda pure Omubeye piano. We will battle them. You know I'm for put.
Yeah.
Because we are almost for the best. They are not coming to do anything.
Dabi. Omo me yehwe. Dey na mba be.
Omo be say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia aba ni vote. Amanfo ene edo amanfo benyama no. But Onyankopon you are now about 12 and the Dr. Mahmoud Baumia dada. So Obianka na come and tuni ya. Na me echi omo Dr. Mahmoud Baumia say omo koswa mo paye. The truth person will emerge victory. The odo man the amani dana kuma swa hatred bianca hu. A time bianca hu. And you bianca hu. And magic victory. And I am a bra.
And no, man.
Very good. It's made your master back home to Ghana for one. Say your hatred of time and the best for no or multiply the best now. Yame and bomb by. Let's say and yet I no crepan or multiply the best than Yamembo, but I am put ya when Yamin 3 months say you dear Pierre. I almost said against Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. When you mean training in Jerusalem as solid time, they will use.
Amen.
Mr. Mafo.
Amen.
What propaganda now? A hospital now almost war. I have to baby now or propaganda.
Yeah.
Go to me station and I must subscribe.
Yeah.
Me wo takrade dia me wo wine me wo sremu dia me wo master dia me wo akra dia
Western Diamond. Yeah,
me chef five ni na me yen se kro baby ya na me started tie no anopa fit na ne be kakra mu a me che wonu so ohini bi koye propaganda o say greening.
Okay
Because me share the direct free to me what takrade o se kan Western Diamond.
Western Diamond, yeah, takrade. Takwa.
I or hinipi ama MPP ni obey you could not hoka say. Ah, wait dear, or my dear pan, or be a group. So what I say? Now was our in Mahama by ya. Also, I have to be a disciple, then you can fault them. But or hina will answer Mr. Mafu. Or hina would do money man. It doesn't matter if it's NPP. It doesn't matter if it's NDC. So what I say?
Yeah.
Would the hine Emma woman and yet with political.
Political eye. And you
Yes.
politician and all they can't say.
Yes. But look to me say a kind of nado just because we party and I was what the envelope Baba so. Because some people say something funny in our say. A man or mutimono. Or mutimu say politics to no mutima and I say ya or money betum for empon ako Yami shamu I am full. Yami show. So because I we a kena. Anasa we ye ohinia odikura we ya onyame usinyame anem e wo kuro no ama me bua msamafu
No.
adan ana mutumi heti ebimu edobimu sana asofo no soso dia me de me from asofo moa no omo nya asofo mame I won't call them the leaders of God. They hold the most demonic spirit and are to prove they hold the evil toxic to destroy a country. That is what they are. It means me free woman omo ya suffer and omo ya messengers of Christ. There because than me suffer can say me kwa sorry na sa roni no me tukra na me ho yira me friend talk. Or can say was say the moment now we be used na kupon din akase that said the Lord said no. Na adia na wotu wanu kaya no ambemua was say a swakatia crosses said onyame asate ye den ebuwa because when you see Nyankopon dia ye den
I promise it.
As a first and concept
Yeah.
and yet nyame bia na soma wo na wo koda how do you feel say enkom na wo share en ambem eti de bia no ma wa kasa fa wunim die ene wunyansa e fa kasa e ko fa awurade dini en kasa God said na who did not make us fear and the day bra wunim obusia
Yeah.
enye bi ni ate hu Mr. Mafo
Yeah. The same thing.
enye bi ni ate hu Ghana hoy ya mamufo nya dai entie ye ba John Daraga Mahama so
Brim na me pewati wanu masem me pe.
Mama what was say one kasa what sama wo kan na eburu wo Papa criminal Papa koshini Papa froster Papa mabesi so man na japade dia mamimia woni wudua ni gina ho so no so black it sawa
Yeah.
Ibrahim Mahama a speech of Kokomai also no so black it
Antropa udin trokese.
oh chat for esa na nadu o fisa na nadu onim nya zon na nadu nya sai mu kota kro wunua Mahama kro wonya na wo doctors of life onim the kind of person away who you should check how many times I'm bound so if Nanado forgive you Nanado forgive you say who your citizen who yeah juma anya dia wa fa nipa mienu miensan na enu edu emom ya adwuma anu hia adwuma so dia ma amanfo it is Nanado afo akoto prison no Nanado anchajewa that doesn't mean say Nanado so you can still mock him after even his retirement Nanado anfa hwe amam etu tumi megina ho any first allegation yadai
Yeah.
Who is karma Ibrahim Mahama who is karma as your brother both of you are a scammer must come Ghana for it is jantrana wo ye de wutra ho na wudie no ne ja ko shisam na wo ne wo bra no mo party no ma form ya against Friday said about
Abobolans.
Abobolas. Ukasa abobolas no fi say ya de kasa ya wa kasa wa bolansa. Uko fa baye. Na se si aso de ya hu nyansa. Ya nim so ye kohwini. Wo ye frosta. Etinya dia se si ye be pia obiem. E ma puru no mani ate. Opapura na nti oda so dia ndi sechi no. Na me nya sure say ayi nyansa ani adwene nyame de wo ye no benya bi. Odisa no de ko because abanya will party bar and pro near system and what debate or man anymore. How can I call you as a truthful person? Me friends, so we are there. We are president, we are Daragana, so we are president, we are from who more NPP for NDC for any Mahaman in the family. The only thing is that we fight a 2 year then put now be console. So at the person
Yes.
but who the two I did not Ghana for so the Ghana for Japan?
Yeah.
Who the one no Adam two I did not Ghana for so I do my Japan? It's who you from for only I'm rubber who you same thing. The difference between say who fair two and yet the issue two will be. But one no and the one start. Every year or manage Japan at the amount. What the amount and I would do near practice near day.
Atoso.
Let's see my assume quality. Fabra candle me house a jebe.
Mina kando.
Aye,
Minta
yes,
kando.
Papa. Coshinita braba bakutano. Drone. Any abobolas. What is the best? Did you tinibo? And this century a year abba. Technology help me everywhere. Obi to say a can say big gate no money na se for no money we no nyina no. And technology no omo ka so omo dey design na technology.
Yes, ni technology.
It me be some how much say I didn't sanya krono na wo no party no. Mo pa say mo babo Ghana I didn't know what I go. The moment to be a president and a leader be a best a free computer aquaman one on a no ya Mr. Mafu.
Obokro no say you can say see evidence or the evidence is here.
Yes, evidence for who back better who bed which that.
Yeah.
When children to mobile or best strike or best strike mama in United States and tomano. It's a catch the Ghana for say. Mako to about 4. Oh, Baba, catch them say, Mudia Muyashi, Munya for no matter. I come for Munya, I apple and Kuma, nobody no my day, no matter. And can I force so and China Munya digitalization, yes, I'm okay.
Or can you know?
It's Ghana near who share a name rate. At the fee and a 4 bench, if I see a catch them say. Or can pass some tram, and some got to the man. The associate catch them say. Some once some to buy, so we are Santi, so we are Ibeni, so we are Debeni, so we are Kneni, so we are Fantini, Untuma Bune Frown, and this better that one out the day. Aku. And yet, you open your BBI day, and you have to walk at your Chima. Can you continue to do that? Ukokromutino, would bet 4 million, 5 million, 10 million every day, Bia. For how long? For how long can you continue to use your time for a useless NDC? Not the MPP, not you. Na MPP asabe fa I to say who sit down who go wani mu da Mr. Mafo
yeah
sana this for amama mo ye dey etie obi ba no o foundation na so no ma ye dey o ma be
yeah
what kind of leadership is this eti ade anya mo fe yes.
Aye.
At the greater Puna Nekoto. When you say what Kabobo Yama, if I at the greater need to sound one who from airport, who we are next day.
Same from an wet. Three cycle there. A bobra bank. Nampacho. Na wasem bi so. Wura de kan tumi kom. Abobo ya bele na wakoma na ye. It's common sense. Common sense. Common sense.
The better na account on him. A cosa man if you say, who say ambulance in rural area? Then to me, ambulance. What about the drone? So what you say?
Yeah.
But and I'm say yana media for no. Yani open to o mase. Ayi enkrofo mi enu yo madane toy ba kwa fry se bofo na ba ko fa kwanta e se the whole reaction. She ne no musu anu omukeka. Ayi ye na fusa ba ne ko ti se de wa ayi na ntwi a what the same bi enu bi na no musu o ka se. Ayi that me na no mu ye interview bi ne account on ba ku bi na di ka show you no be.
We yana ada o ka o man hina semana.
O man hina kwabra santene
Obi.
Oshini no. Obi oni we say here dey ko so Ghana na oni go.
Munimpa.
They know the truth and they know who is telling lies. But would they tell Ghanaians?
Omunye free omunye journalist omun sansha manfo bottom. We no munyina omu didi.
Because listen to them. The analysis is simple. You can spill the beans. But when argue about it.
Yeah.
But meanwhile, the truth is there. Would they be able to stand up as a man and spill the beans? But simple. Nana Dubai wa mu musika. Brown envelope so they turn up to sit on the truth. But onyame ye de wo sorry. Now we see sorry them. Now we friend who say we are Christian. We friend who say just simply because Baunia is Muslim, he cannot lead the country. And I put it to you, say, the Spirit of God, the Creator of mankind, the omnipotent God. Nobody can challenge him.
Absolutely
He is
not.
who he is. Will bring Baunia in power. He shall allow.
Amen.
With the grace of God, I'm a copia and fact, any Ramobako and fact, God would lift him up. It's Munkoso Namunamo propaganda, Emma and Munkoso Namun Namun Resa Namun Mahama Namukofane by Mahama Koshine and the king of a liar.
Aye.
Who cried Opio Tintasia, who was starting and wired it. Or to say Ohinia in pub wired it at Tiajana Kofi and Antema at Tiajana. Now, to see idea, Miss Officer say, young can't say young to Chiomuka, Katera say, bless them abundantly.
Hey.
And see what the glory of God do. Onyame, Omumobo. Namuya de Kraba,
Obeba.
Now that would depend. Ghana for our Muto NPP. Say, our man ye go, yes, Kacho.
Baby.
Or mine any yet three. And yes, I did the Kacha ever Baba them. So we are penny now, woman, let there be a woman. I just say, how can you leave me? And even if you're dead, what? How can your soul rest? No, we need back. We are poor people. So, a man, we are better. Now, and penny for will crumble. And to me, show a man of what? A man is the happening. And then Muslim, a man, and a politician, a woman to buy. And no, this is car to Tomina. It's a monk, so we are in it. So, it's up to you. It's between you jama fool and family home. Big Jan so baby ye Ghana ye. Na me kwa kwa me say. Asumdue ye den. Oh man. Enye ni aye. Kamu mane ba ya kan ko na ni misamafu.
Ke kokora, nkade amanfo to papa su nyina nko wa solve.
Na do ho no na emburo na no mo ton 20 million 10 million no mo fi say sika na free ewiem na beto na beto ana. Na yansem. Onim sam mo kuafo no didi aye den. Eye. Etumu ya na hwe bayire na me ko so bi na me Ghana bayire pona. Ghana bayire. Ya from Ghana. And then na do free so no pona na we hene. You saw. And the another mutona body no. They na yansem omo export bi tomato bi so go for pasta stock. Na mo free so sika na free na eba. Koko, mo ma ne mo a, ko so mo tete parliament amu jini no. Mo bi no. Mo jini no. Koko, mo si ate so da. Mr. Maf.
Yenti soda in the history yenti koko soda Ghana.
John Danagaba ye dey na ekoso.
Yate suhim 40% ya twatwen.
Kasun so ya any day.
Ya say market no. Say kashu market na say ma me.
Ya se bi dey go kra pro.
Aseme me
frost away. From full way bet na so a.
Say me ya bunu ni me kuro me ya doka shoe rough. I know the ekoso wo omo doka shoe no ho. Odu amanfo kita cashews a dime egu they don't have buyers. Asempa na meka chiro.
My dear near me buy a cashew and a walnut.
Okay.
Who could talk to a beer 3 pounds, 4 pounds?
Yeah. Nebo than a pa.
I will pack it to where be
half I think say half kilo. And I say be 200 grams. 300 grams. Kakra.
If you are 2 grams and no 3 pounds, 4 pounds, I will hold than barrel. Tesco, the piano board. There should be promo for now to be Obiana day.
And to
Bahama, Nana Yansan, who never beat the MP before Yansan, and this is for her. Upa, Namu, and go to bed. Who need be? I do not even mind. Who need be? Any propaganda and a nearby. Yamin, Obusamun, Namufa, and the Mastofona, or Motekamon Channing, no Muninamu, for it won't cock Namusam let you more and pass your for Namuso, dear, you won't beat that. And a monya, you know, demon. Oh, Mahama, you.